To create an equipment build, the equipment has to be marked with an assigned tag. Here's an example of an assigned tag. It's a .dwg file which contains attributes. This file is kept in the directory tags. C AUTOFLUID 2009 plus 2-tags. All the tags of AUTOFLUID are kept in this folder. This is also the folder where you can create new tags if none of the existing ones are suitable. When you create a new tag, it's advisable to open an existing one, save it under a different name, and then modify it. This avoids potential scale differences. You can then change, add, or remove attributes for the new tag. You can also modify its appearance. This tag can be inserted at the same time as drafting the equipment or afterwards, depending on the chosen preset. This preset can be changed with the tags command. A dialog box opens, showing presets for each piece of equipment. Each of them has a tick box. When checked, the tag will appear automatically as the equipment is inserted. If unchecked, the equipment will be inserted without tag. Here you can find all the tags contained in the tags directory. Specify the tag you'd like to assign for each type of equipment. The I button allows you to insert the chosen tag. If you check this tick box and then draw a valve, the tag appears at the same time. The dialog box also appears where the tag's attributes can be specified. However, if the tick box is unchecked and you draw a piece of equipment, no assigned tag appears. But it can be added afterwards by using the I button, as you can see in this example.